So we tend to look for love outside of us. But we actually truly know what love is if we actually haven't mastered the art of loving ourselves.
It's leratomaithufi.
Hey FamGang, my name is leratomaithufi, and today I'm going to be giving you guys tips on how to love yourself. Let's go! Instead of always looking at your flaws, start looking at your strengths. In that way, you will focus so much on your strengths that they will overpower your flaws, and you'll actually start to think more positive of yourself and actually turn your flaws into opportunities for improvement. Affirmation comes cheap these days. Affirmation comes in the form of likes. Affirmation comes in the form of follows, subs. But do you really affirm yourself? You need to first affirm yourself before you can look for affirmation from other people, because you've already built a foundation of self-affirmation before you are going to receive affirmation from other people. Pamper yourself. Don't forget to head on down to Shapewear in the description box. Get yourself a pair of something nice. Pamper yourself. Use Lerato 777 at checkout. Yes, Lerato 777 at checkout, and get yourself a 10% discount. Be grateful. Be grateful for every little thing that you have. There's somebody out there that's got less than you. Be grateful. That will cheer you up about yourself and about your achievements, and actually about what you have around you that's working for you. So write down a gratitude list. For me, something as simple as being grateful for having a comfortable bed to sleep on makes me happy, makes me more grateful for what I have. And in that way, I love myself and the world that I live in, my little world. I love it. I fall in love more with it. I don't now want to find love at somebody else's house. I don't want to find love in somebody else's possessions. No, you learn to love what you have been blessed with. And in that way, you will be rewarded with more, because then you will show that you are grateful for the little things. Those that are given little, okay, and do much with, more will be given to them. So use the little that you have, and in that way, you will attract more greater things for you. You will attract more growth because you are trusted with the little that you have. Guys, write down your dreams. Write down your dreams. Fall in love with your imagination and be introduced to the imaginative, creative part of you. You need to cut it. You need to cut out toxic people in your life. Toxic people only have toxin to spread. They only have venom to spread. Nothing good, nothing fruitful. Cut them out of your life, because their role in your life is to poison you and to poison the identity that you have of yourself. If you're still not sure how to cut out toxic people in your life, I have a video in the cards, and you can also find it in the description box. Do not be afraid to spend time alone. You don't always have to be in a noisy place. Get to know yourself. Spend time by yourself. Just have some me time, read a book, sit in the garden, something. Just spend time with yourself. Be your own best friend. Spend time with yourself. Get to know yourself. Forgive yourself. I read somewhere where it says, forgiveness does not set the other person free, but it sets you free. So now, if you're still trapped in a state of unforgiveness for past mistakes that you have done, that you have committed, then you have built a prison for yourself. Forgive yourself. Get out of that prison. Step out of that prison. Set yourself free. Forgive yourself and learn from those mistakes. Oh, it's very important to not compare yourself to others. We are not the same. No two people are identical. Guys, even the most identical twins have got a different set of fingerprints. So it's very important for you to not compare yourself to others, because you will just lose your mind, because the other person has got their own destiny and you have your own destiny. If you keep comparing yourself to somebody else, you might miss out on the calling that God has for you. So don't miss that calling, girl. Don't miss who you're meant to be in life by comparing yourself to other people. Look at you, get to know yourself, study yourself, get to know who you are, and you'll find your calling, baby. Please be kind to yourself. The same way you expect somebody to be kind to you, be kind to yourself. Don't beat yourself down. metal blade. Okay, so anyway, be kind to yourself, guys. You know how you feel like when somebody is not kind to you. So what more when you're not kind to yourself? How do you expect the next person to be kind? In fact, how do you expect to be kind to the next person if you're not kind to yourself? You know what I mean? So build a type of kindness to yourself, you know. Accept the fact that you make mistakes. Accept the fact that you are not always right. You're not always perfect. Just be kind to yourself. There's only one you that will ever exist. And there's only one life that you are going to live. You don't want to spend the rest of your life being horrible to yourself. Come on, fam. Be kind to yourself. Okay. Celebrate yourself. Fam, celebrate your wins. Nobody is going to celebrate you the way you celebrate yourself. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you really enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to hop on the FamGang train, then hit the subscribe button. Keep commenting on my videos. Guys, I read every single one of your comments. I respond to every single one of your comments because you know what? Your comments keep me going. Your comments are fuel for this channel. So thank you so much to all my top commenters. You have fueled me to the max. I'm leratomaithufi and I am fueled by faith. Mwah. God bless.